The new 2024 GX has received the greatest look yet in a final teaser released by Lexus. With this latest iteration of its body-on-frame midsizer, Lexus will likely play up the off-road feature even more. The new SUV is depicted splashing through the mud and is tall, boxy, and tough-looking. After patiently riding through the decade in its former shape, an all-new midsize luxury SUV will finally break free, ready to surprise us with its bold, reborn self, on June 8 at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. The automotive world will tune in to witness the big reveal of the all-new 2024 Lexus GX. Any rumors suggesting that the TX SUV, which is essentially the Lexus Grand Highlander, will put an end to the GX have been refuted. The more toughly constructed LX impending sibling rises tall, its teasers arousing equal parts intrigue and admiration. The GX reveal has drawn even more attention from the public because of the TX shared limelight. What do these sneak peek photos from Lexus show? A full-width LED light bar, broad shoulders, an updated D-pillar with a hockey stick-like kink, and a bolder, more opulent profile are all there. These design elements strike a harmonic mix between traditional and modern while simultaneously whispering a new age philosophy and upholding the GX recognizable character. The GX has retained a special place in the world of SUVs thanks to its ability to combine luxury with toughness, which is still hard to find in other SUVs today. In order to find out what else is in store beyond the GX itself, let's try to decode what the most recent 2024 Lexus GX teasers are trying to tell us. In regards to its exterior aesthetics and design, the reinvented appearance, captured in the two teaser images supplied by Lexus, reveals the tremendous metamorphosis the GX has experienced. A sleek, angular pair of triple LED beams with a DRL at the bottom have replaced the previous generation's pronounced angular headlight design in an exquisitely polished manner. These cutting-edge lights undoubtedly give the SUV's front fascia a hint of intensity as they are tucked beneath the hood's sculpted shape. The sculpted wheel arches and solid bonnet emphasize the GX muscular look and give it a toughness that makes it stand out. The 2024 GX displays resemblances to the Land Cruiser while drawing design cues from its Toyota siblings. A noticeable bulge on the bonnet, which is an homage to vintage Range Rover designs but is current in form, can also be seen when you look at it closer. On the other hand, the rear adopts a touch of refinement and features a full-width LED taillight that beautifully incorporates the Lexus emblem. Though the overall appearance is aesthetically similar to the most recent Toyota Sequoia, the traditional spindle grille is still present, albeit in a bold, chrome-free form. The stunning aesthetic shifts are in full view as more information about the 2024 Lexus GX becomes available. Each teaser delivers a tantalizing view of the SUV's evolution, laying the groundwork for what may turn out to be the next standard in design for the category. The 2024 Lexus GX is making strides toward a fascinating fusion of striking design, performance, and refinement. It offers a glimpse into the near future. While Lexus has expertly kept the precise technical specifics, enthusiasts and business insiders have started to weave a tapestry of promise. The TNGAF architecture, a condensed version of the body-on-frame platform, is at the center of this story. The Toyota Land Cruiser 300, Sequoia, and Lexus LX 600 are now built on this design backbone, which has received praise for its adaptability and sturdiness. By adopting this platform, the following generation Lexus GX offers a firm commitment to off-road dexterity while possibly boosting on-road performance, all bundled up in a package to continue offering a solid dose of Japanese luxury. A big change for the renowned off-roader is the plot point of the next-generation Lexus GX. The GX lineup is anticipated to undergo changes as Toyota reimagines the powertrains for its trucks and SUVs. Farewell, V8 engine. As rumors about a leaner, more powerful replacement grow, the 4.6-liter V8 engine that powers the present model, which has 301 horsepower, is on the verge of bidding its final farewell. According to early reports, the company is most likely switching to a four-cylinder hybrid powertrain, more precisely the 2.4-liter iForce Max hybrid engine that we've lately seen in a number of Toyota SUVs and pickup trucks. With an astounding output of 340 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque, this engine, which has previously won praise in the Toyota Crown, is sure to wow. The discontinuation of the V8 is not altogether unexpected. The Toyota Tundra's switch to a turbocharged V6 and the Lexus LX's loss of its V8 power both follow an established trend. Its sturdy presence was not significantly shaken by the introduction of the all-new Lexus TX, another Lexus SUV. The TX, with its car-like aspect and roomy three-row arrangement, targets the luxury family SUV market similar to the Audi Q7 or Acura MDX, whilst the GX follows a less traveled path. The GX looks to travel over rougher ground, maintaining its two-row layout with the potential inclusion of an optional, sporadic third row. In spite of maintaining its reputation for luxury, the GX's stubborn position against the current highlights its spirit of exploration. The GX interior is expected to improve, offering a more premium environment. A huge touchscreen should be placed in the center of the dashboard, following the recent trend of Lexus and Toyota design philosophy and promising a more user-friendly management over the media system. The GX is positioned to be a technologically advanced retreat beyond aesthetics. The latest Lexus comfort, safety, and infotainment features are rumored to be integrated into the cabin, providing its passengers with an improved onboard experience. The Lexus GX 2024 should once more raise the bar for opulent SUVs with these improvements. It is believed that the incoming next-generation GX will boast a cutting-edge infotainment system with a user profile function that enables users to store favorite settings in the cloud and utilize them in other Lexus models that feature Lexus interface. Cloud-based navigation, wireless Apple CarPlay, and wireless Android Auto are further features that are anticipated for the system. The next-generation GX may have a smart air filtration system, a head-up display, a wireless charging pad, and panoramic cameras in addition to the huge touchscreen infotainment system. In some markets, like Russia, a fingerprint reader on the start switch will likely be added to this list. Do the future midsize Lexus SUV teasers the eagerly awaited Land Cruiser in addition to the GX teasers that we have already seen from Lexus? Returning to the GX, it is important to remember that it is a close cousin of the Toyota Land Cruiser, a vehicle that is now unavailable in America but is rumored to be making a reappearance in the near future. If industry insiders are to be believed, the upcoming American Land Cruiser may sport a Toyota badge while closely following the GX's design, a prospect that is already creating a buzz for the 2024 model year. Though rumors circulate, Lexus continues to be mum on its pricing plan for the 2024 GX. However, taking a close look at its sales results provides us with some revealing information. It's likely that this will serve as the pricing starting point for the upcoming model given its sales success in the current $60,000 to $70,000 price bracket. What SUVs are the top competitors to the 2024 Lexus GX? The Genesis GV80, BMW X5, Porsche Cayenne, Volvo XC90, and BMW X6 are the top competitors of the Lexus GX. The suspense grows as the third generation's debut draws nearer. Therefore, as the 2024 Lexus GX prepares for its public debut, an exciting revolution from the ground up is about to occur, heralding the beginning of a brand new chapter in its story. Answer: do you think the 2024 Lexus GX is worth waiting for? Let us know in the comment box below. And if you've watched up to this point, thank you so much. For more videos about EVs, Toyota, Tesla, Ford, and the most recent auto news, please consider subscribing to Tech Addicts.